It's 2 paper shoots, Senpai TV, yeah.
3rd quarter.
Let me do this thing, yeah. Hey, the 2 paper video shoot, God just finished another scene, almost done. Pretty much it. Shout out Senpai.
You already know Senpai TV. We're out here, paper video shoot, number 2. You know what's going on, everybody's in the building, we're out here just pulling up.
Yeah, what's up man, BOJ paper video shoot, day 2. You already know what it is. SDC. Well, I'm doing it solo, yeah.
Hi, at the paper shoot for BOJ. In the middle of nowhere.
Sorry.
You like that?
I'm just having fun.
You like
Here, BOJ's video shoot, we're just chilling. You know, what's up?
We're in the bush shooting BOJ's paper video.
So here we are behind the scenes of BOJ's new video, Paper. It's a lot of fun being out here. We're in Adey in Lagos. The weather is amazing and it's just a great vibe. I love being around these guys and I'm wishing BOJ the best of luck. Cuppy kisses. Mwah.
DRB all day, Stargaze all day, Senpai TV on the screens, BOJ Diaries, you know, like shout out to BOJ, that's my homie, that's my boy. He's been doing this so well for the longest time and you know, he's just been keeping it real. So I just want to say that we appreciate the music you've been putting out, so everyone should support DRB, support BOJ on the microphone, support Stargaze, support Senpai TV. We do this, video shoot, the 2. The one was like 2 weeks ago. Due to some technical difficulties, the 2 couldn't actually be the day after. So now we're here. We're trying to get it wrapped up. You know.
We're out here in what's this studio called? This is Hits Factory. The Hit Factory.
Shout out to BOJ though, you get me, that's family. You know what I mean? Coming up, fact is already up. So BOJ, when you make all the juice, you have to come out, you have to come and do your track. You know what I'm saying? You have to come and drop the juice.
Paper is one of BOJ's deepest jams. As in the stuff is spiritual, honestly. So you know, look out for that stuff. It's gonna be everywhere. The movement is moving. You already know, Jesus name.
So mad, bro.
Excuse me, Mrs. Officer, let me tell you the P. I have a feeling that you're very fond of me. I know girl's girlfriend, no, she's getting rid of me. She left this morning, it was an early morning pee. Yeah, she did.